what started a simple request from my brother, and it turns into most time consuming 3D printing project which I have ever made. Hi guys, Namaste. This is Sai Kiran Kadle. Welcome to Orion. And this is a story how I designed and printed High Court of Telangana from the scratch. So lights, camera, let's begin. So guys, my brother works in Telangana High Court and he needs a miniature model of a High Court building for some purpose. First I thought it would be a quick project, but I was completely wrong. It almost took more than a week to design it, as it has lots of detailing in it and I want to make it as real as possible. Initially I have tried AI to generate the 3D model from the images. There are lots of sites online where you can just give the image to it. It will directly give you the STL 3D model file, and where you can feed it to the printer and you can directly print it. So this was my initial plan. That is why I thought this could be a very quick project, but the results which AI has given me was not close to my imagination. So after spending 2 to 3 days on AI, I have changed my plan to design it myself. So after that I have started designing the building. The building has a very intricate architecture, the domes, pillars, and this is one of the historical buildings in Hyderabad, and it was constructed by the Nizams. The building was actually a palace which was constructed in 1920s, and later on, as per the online records, in November 1956 it was converted into the High Court. The architecture has a very fine detailings and which I need to show up in my 3D print. So what all I have is the pictures. So I have asked my brother to bring some HD quality pictures so that it can refer my design. And luckily my brother got a 3D model of the building itself. But the sad part, the model was in a video form. So I have taken the friends from that video and I have designed it. So you can see it in the video, and the 3D model video helped me a lot, which made my work much easier, as I get front view and side view of the building. And I have used the trace tool in the CATIA, and I have traced the entire building from a photo to a sketch, and the sketch was extruded into the 3D model. So I want to capture every fine detail of the building so that it looks very close to the original building. This project tested my patience more than I expected, but the final results were amazing. So this is the High Court of Telangana building. So initially I have started designing the center part of the building, that is this one. I have actually printed the things separately, and this one is also printed separately. The upper part, the upper dome, the roof we can say, I have printed this separately, and the lower one I have printed separately. Because I don't want any print failure. So if I printed this in a single piece, and when the print reaches here, and if I face any failure on top, because the detailing at the top is very complicated and I don't want any print failure, so I have splitted this print and this print, but it finally came out really good in a single print. Although there was a power outage, due to which I have got this line here. If you have seen my previous videos, you will know about the issue when the power outage in a 3D printer. Later on, this was designed, and this was also separately printed, the roof part and these tiny elements and the walls around this with this design was printed separately and it was sticked later after the print. I can show you. This is a separate part. This is a separate part, and this is just interlocked in between. That's it. And this is how much time it has taken me to print all the parts. Seeing all the individual pieces coming together finally was incredibly satisfying. And after days of work, the model started looking like the actual building. And guys, if you're enjoying my content and want to watch more content like this, please like, share and subscribe to Orion. And if you have any questions and want to share any ideas which is bigger than this, you can comment it down. Let me know. Thank you. Bye bye. Pack up.